je, I. Je, tu, you, informal. Tu. Il, he. Il, elle, she. Elle. On. This has several meanings, one of which is one. I'll explain it later. On. Nous, we. Nous. Vous, you, formal or plural. Vous. Il, they. This can be used either for group of males together or male and female together. Elle, they. This is exclusively for feminine, so it has to be all girls or only female. Elle. Je, I, tu, you, informal. Il, he, elle, she, on, one. Nous, we. Vous, you, formal or plural. Il can be used for masculine and feminine. Elle exclusively for feminine. They. Je, tu, il, elle, on. Nous, vous, ils, elles.